Welcome back. Now, before we take a look at the day's business news, let's first take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And in our top business story, Meraas Holding and MR Properties have announced a new joint venture to develop the Dubai Hills estate, which is the first phase of Mohammed bin Rashid City, the largest of its kind real estate development in the Middle East. The 11 million square metre master planned community will be located centrally by the junction of Al Sakim Road and Al Khail Road, and will be a mixed-use development with a series of unique neighbourhoods set around an 18-hole championship golf course. Overlooking the golf course will be the Dubai Hills gated villa community, with the opportunity for customers to even design their own homes. The project is also set to feature vast stretches of landscaped parks and gardens, an iconic commercial centre, low-rise and mid-rise residences, hotels and serviced hotel apartments, with the first phase boasting high-end retail centres and varied leisure amenities. Emirates is set to operate its flagship A380 aircraft on one of its 2 daily flights to Zurich, Switzerland. According to reports, the airline revealed that on the 1st of January 2014, EK087 from Dubai to Zurich and its return EK088 will be operated by an A380, offering an increased capacity of more than 1,100 additional seats every week in each direction. Officials were quoted as saying that the decision was made to support the city's strong position as a financial services hub, and that there has been increased demand for business and leisure traffic. They also added that the move will stimulate and support the $9 billion trade relationship between Switzerland and the UAE, as well as emerging markets eastbound, including 10 destinations in India and 24 destinations in the Far East and Australasia. The market for maintenance, repair and overhaul services in the Middle East is expected to reach a market value of $11.2 billion by 2019, sustaining a 5.3% compound annual growth rate, according to a study by Aerostrategy OAG Aviation. According to news agency WAM, the report also revealed that the global civil aviation MRO supply chain was estimated to be worth $65 billion in 2012, with the MEA and Asia Pacific region collectively accounting for 32% of the market. The region's share of the global civil aviation fleet of around 79,800 aircrafts had reached 21% in 2012, and analysts expect this to double by 2020. Rashid Boukhara, the chief operating officer of Dubai Aviation City, was quoted as saying that the UAE owns more than 45% of the GCC fleet, and that MRO facilities in the region are therefore expected to reach capacity very soon, and that we need to be ready to meet the increasing demand. He added that the planned aviation district in Dubai World Central, the world's first purpose-built aerotropolis, is designed to be the home of the world's leading MROs looking to benefit from the rapid growth of the industry in the MEA region. The Dubai Gold and Commodities Exchange registered yet another monthly volume record of 1,448,242 contracts, valued at $48.47 billion in May, rising 70% from the same month last year. According to news agency WAM, the DGCX figures showed that currencies accounted for the main share of the exchange's May volumes, reaching an aggregate of nearly 1.4 million currency contracts, up 88% from the same month last year. Indian rupee futures continued a robust performance, registering a 67% increase, while the euro, yen and Swiss francs futures showed a substantial surge of 201%, 170% and 335% respectively. The recently introduced DGCX mini Indian rupee futures have also emerged as a key performer, recording a significant growth of 248% from last month. And over in the capital, 1,947 licences were issued to new businesses in the first quarter of the year, rising for the first time in a year. The figures were released by the Abu Dhabi Department for Economic Development on Saturday, which showed an 8% rise in new licences on the previous quarter. Trade figures also released yesterday by the department showed that the Emirates' exports rose 4.4% by 37 million dirhams for the period.